Ever leave a meeting feeling like the important details disappeared the moment it ended? Traditional note-taking and transcripts help, but digging through pages of text for key points takes time. AI chat in meetings fixes that, combining live transcription notes and instant summaries so everyone stays focused on the discussion, not the documentation. With Tactiq, you can install the tool, capture meeting transcriptions, and interact with your meeting data in real time. Here's how it works. Open your Chrome and add the Tactiq Chrome extension. Once installed, it automatically joins meetings. During the meeting, Tactiq shows a live transcript so you can follow along and capture key points without taking manual notes. Click the Ask Tactiq AI tab in the side panel. Ask questions like, summarize action items from this meeting. Now let's try asking it to highlight deadlines discussed so far. Tactiq scans the conversation instantly and gives you quick answers before the meeting ends. Once the call ends, you will be directed to your Tactiq dashboard. In here, you will find your full transcript, AI summary, and key highlights in the Tactiq dashboard ready to review. Get started with Tactiq for free at tactiq.io, and make sure to subscribe to our channel to make every meeting more productive with AI-powered notes and insights.